Today I'm going to show you how to decrease the startup time of your computer. Now, if you don't have a solid state hard drive, this is one of the ways you can use to make it boot up a little quicker. One of the first things you're going to want to do is minimize the amount of desktop icons, because it takes a lot longer to load each individual picture of all the icons. So if you have a minimal amount of icons, it's going to load up a little quicker. After that, what you want to do is you want to go down the search bar here, type MSCONFIG. You want to click the System Configuration app. It's going to bring up this little screen here. You don't really need to mess with anything here. Just go to the Startup tab, click that, and then open Task Manager. Once you have the Task Manager open, it's going to list all the programs that start when the computer starts. As you can see, some things have a higher impact than others. Something like Microsoft OneDrive, which many people don't use, can be disabled. Now, if you don't use it, disable it, because there's no reason for it to start up with the computer. Now, I do use it, so I'm going to leave it on, and it's really not going to affect my computer much anyway. Other things you want to leave running, your virus software. Don't mess with any of that, okay? I'm going to go ahead and disable these Western Digital apps. There's 4 of them here. I don't see any need for them to start up on startup. Yeah, this list here is going to show you everything that starts when the computer starts. If you have a bunch of junk in here that you don't even use, go ahead and disable it. If you're not sure about something, go to Google, research it a little bit, and it'll let you know. Another thing you're going to want to turn off is probably Skype. Now, whenever you install Skype to your computer, it doesn't even ask you, it just goes ahead and puts a startup notation there for you. So basically, whenever your computer starts, it's going to load Skype. Now, Skype is very high impact. It's going to take a lot longer to start up your computer if you have Skype there. So if you don't use Skype first thing when you turn your computer on, you can go ahead and disable that. I don't even have Skype on here, so I can't show you how, but all you would do is right click and then click the disable icon. If you want to look over here in the services, that's going to show you a lot of things that are also running. Now, some of these you're probably not going to want to mess with, but if you have a program starting that's not listed here in startup, chances are there's a service associated with it running here. As you can see, a Western Digital service is running here. I'm going to leave that, just in case. But you may find other things in here that you want to disable. I want to stress that you should definitely look up and research everything, though, before you go ahead and messing with this, because some of these services are really important to the computer. A lot of them are Windows services that you really shouldn't mess with anyway. So here, virus service right there, virus service right there. So if you're not sure about what something is, go ahead and research it on Google, and you should be able to figure it out. Just wanted to stress that this should work for a Windows 7, Windows 8, or a Windows 10 computer. All you'd have to do is go down to the search bar, wherever the search bar may be, and type msconfig.